What is your deal?
You are my fucking deal, motherfucker.
What the fuck did I do to you?
You threatening me, motherfucker? Are you threatening me? Fuck you. Don't fuck with me, bitch.
Damn, this is gonna make some excellent footage. Thank you.
Fuck you, bitch. You're a bitch. And I told it to your face. You're a fucking bitch. So fuck you. I don't give a
Someone's having a bad day. Wow. Still going at it. JNH 323.
Then what you do is you point these towards the back, like that. It's much longer. Yeah. Oh, dang. The car behind us just cut off the other car. What? Cut off the other car and like went into the side.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm just upset because I didn't expect the damn dog to come out in front of me.
Where did it happen at?
Huh?
Where did it happen?
The dog came out from like somewhere right there, and when I braked, I was going, and before I could brake, I just instantly just jerked it.
Okay.
So trying to look for his dog, but can't find it. So when I hit it, I think it took off running pretty.
There's water, or is that gas?
Guys, quality content coming right here. All the trash in the city.
Look at this guy.
Yo, this is fucking a natural phenomenon right here. Oh, let me get the BTS. I just want to see what brand tires these are for research purposes. What is that? Is that Michelin's? They're Goodyears. They're Goodyears. Yo, how much for a bike? Shit. Let me get the purple one. I can't. Yo, even the bus driver stopped. Everybody stopping.
So I'ma bring it down when I get my man. Ain't sexy.
Bro, you trying to kill me?
I know.
You're going to jail.
I know.
But I love this car.
So, okay, imagine one of these places during the day, and then imagine one at night.
Mm-hmm.
And which would you assign to which?
I would assign graveyard to the nighttime, creepier one.
And cemetery to the day?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, same.
Okay.
What's wrong with you, stupid ass? There it is. Shooting all bit on. Said that it was an off the field issue that he knew on Thursday that he was not going to start.
So yesterday, it was on the brakes. Freaking yours truly. I had immediate initial opinions on two NFL